Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a short flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve supplies water to the ice maker and to the water fountain on demand. There are three main reasons why it would need to be replaced. The ice maker will stop making ice. There is no water at the fountain or it's running non-stop, causing a flood. The water valve leaks itself, leaving water at the bottom of the fresh food compartment. Open the refrigerator doors. Remove the shelves on the right side. Press the lever and pull down the cover. Unscrew the water filter, turning it counterclockwise, and then remove it. Push the cover hinge off the hinge pin on either side and slide the cover out. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the top vertical slots on the bottom cover and push it inwards to unlock the tabs. Using the same screwdriver, unlock the two center tabs by pushing them down. Open the cover, rock it side to side to free the bottom tabs and remove the cover. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the center slot in the upper cover. Push it up to release the tab. Lift off the upper cover. Unclip all the water tubes from the brackets. Release the water inlet valve. Have a towel ready at the bottom. We may have some water dripping down from the tubes. Press the locking skirts at the water inlet valve ports and pull all three tubes out. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the tab on the top of the upper solenoid coil cover. Remove the cover and using the flat blade screwdriver, disconnect both the top and the bottom wire plugs. And remove the green ground wire. Then remove the old water valve. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wire plugs onto the solenoid coils. Connect the green ground wire. Install the top coil protective cover and lock it. Slide the ends of the water lines into the new water inlet valve ports. Make sure none of them are coming out any sooner. Install the water inlet valve. Take the water lines into the retainers. Remove the towel. Install the upper cover. Install the lower cover. Install the water filter cover on the hinge pin from one side, slightly bend open the cover and hook it onto the second hinge pin. Install the water filter in and turn it clockwise. Latch the cover. Install the shelves. Now we can close the doors turn the water on and plug the fridge back in. Allow a few hours for the ice maker to kick in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.